right, we're in the Mark VIII. Go for a little ride around the block. Just a little ride around the block. Let it get warmed up. Make some tests. See how she responded. I haven't checked the computers yet to see if they're the long-term fuel trim is filled in yet. Keep unplugging the battery, and in the long-term tuning has to redo itself. All right, with no. Always fun. Very nice throttle response. Don't start the day, huh? Got some new rims on the don't. transmission has a J mod. I've had shift kits like B&M shift kits in the automatic overdrive transmissions. They shift too hard, just a snap. I ain't like it. I like it more like what the J mod had to offer, the increased pressure as you increase the throttle. I don't like it shift hard all the time, so that's why I went with the J mod. And I also have a shift kit electronic where I can turn the pressure up. So right now I keep it, it's at neutral, which is off. That's where I drive regularly with the J mod, and you probably can see the difference when it shifts. So I'll go back now. So this is regular. I'll go from first to second, and this is without the B&M shift kit on. That's probably a quarter throttle. Now this is the electronic shift kit on, I think this is number 1. It's noticeably harder shifts. So let's do it in high once the copper passes on by. So this is all the pressure. So we'll do a slight big difference. Just about bark the tire, not even pushing the gas. I don't use that regularly at all, really. I don't really need to. So it shifts really hard with the B&M shift electronic shift kit. It really works. I like it. I got 3 modes of shifts that I can deal with. That's regular. It's not crazy until you push the gas. And the J mod works really well. I like it. It won't give you all that pressure until you really want it. If I want more, click the button. Click the button. I don't know if you see that. I click that button, and it snap your neck when it shifts. I don't like it because it be breaking stuff, breaking the rear end and all that. It's not built. I've done that before with these shift kits. Shift, and then not before you know it, your open rear end is broken. All right. Block around the block. This little ride, we'll probably do some more performance tests. I'll get me a camera girl out here. So that's it.